Clients ask for real fabric mockups, but vector mockups often read flat. In this quick tutorial, I'll teach a non-destructive Illustrator method to get authentic melange, heather, texture that scales and tiles. I used a YouTube-sized page for demonstration purposes. You may open it in whatever size you prefer. Melange is basically lots of tiny fibers from different dyed yarns. Pick 3 to 5 close colors, lighter and darker versions of your base plus 1 accent. Create 3 small swatches: base 1, base 10% light, base 10% dark accent. Select the rectangle tool, then click and drag to draw a rectangle. Fill the rectangle with the base color using the eyedropper tool. Next, go to Edit, click Copy, and then select Copy in place. Open the Effect menu, go to Sketch, and choose Graphic Pen. Adjust the stroke length to 15, set the stroke direction to horizontal, change the balance to 23%, and click OK. Go to Object and select Expand Appearance. Then, go back to Object and choose Image Trace to convert the grain into a vector. Then click here and set Noise to 1%. Enable Ignore Color. Set Corners to 2%. And adjust the paths and threshold sliders until it looks right. And click Expand. Fill it with a lighter color using the eyedropper tool. Next, select Back Square, then go to Edit, click Copy, and then select Copy in Front. Again, go to Effect and select Graphic Pen. This time, set the balance to 2% and click OK. Again, go to Object and select Expand Appearance. Then choose Image Trace and click Make. Then click here and configure the settings as demonstrated, reducing the number of grains this time. And click Expand. Fill it with the darker color using the eyedropper tool. I'm going to align all elements to the center. Next, generate a swatch and place the pattern on a t-shirt mock-up to verify that the fleck remains clear and legible at reduced sizes. To recolor the swatch, follow the earlier step and create 3 small swatches: the base color, one that is 10% lighter, and one that is 10% darker. That's it. Tell me which colorway you like the most. If you want this file, the download link is in the description. Like this, save and share, and comment which color you ended up creating.